Kate here at WTI, and if you're looking for a sitting ball, this one from YOGIVO is exactly what you need. I've been so thrilled with it. So the best part about this ball is that it comes with a cover, so it can match your decor. It also gives it protection and makes it very comfortable. It comes deflated, so you just insert it into the cover. It has a pump, so you pump it up to full capacity and then zip it closed and you're good to go. I love that the base is designed sort of flat so that it doesn't roll around. So even if it gets bumped a little bit, it stays in place nicely. Most days I use this at my vanity, so it's how I start my day. I really like it for that. You can also use it as an office chair. You can use it for fitness or even as a footstool, wherever you want to use it in your home. It has a handle, so it's super easy to take around. This one is in the beautiful dark blue color, but they come in all sorts of different colors as well. It's super comfortable. I like the firmness. It's nice and firm, but it has a little bit of give to make it really comfy. So if you're looking to challenge yourself, maybe strengthen your core, or just be a little more minimalist, I think this is a really awesome choice, and that's my point of view.